Good morning everyone. I am Rain Varghese Maman working as an optometrist in Chaitanya Hospital, Kottayam. Currently, I am pursuing PG Diploma in Contact Lenses from Indian Academy of Optometry. So, today I would like to share the experience of how to insert and remove soft contact lenses. Initially, we can start with history taking. We need to know whether that the patient have ever used any type of contact lenses like scleral, RGP, soft. So history taking is mandatory. Then also something also we need to note that the patient has diabetic mellitus or any sort of dryness. So everything we need to mention in history. Afterwards, we can go for objective refraction and subjective refraction, contact lens trial. What type of contact lenses should we have to prescribe? That is one of the important thing. Then, how to insert and remove contact lenses. So let's begin with objective refraction. Here I have autorefractometry. I took autorefractometry reading and K readings. K readings are for selection of better base curve and diameter for the contact lenses. I have also checked retinoscopy to cross confirm the power. Actually, this patient was going to use contact lens for the first time. He doesn't have used contact lenses ever. So initially, need to train everything about contact lenses, the precautions, everything I need to teach him. After all, I came to know about the objective refraction of his eyes. After that, I have started subjective refraction. From subjective refraction, I came to know that he have accepted a zero point 0.5 cylinder in both eyes over the spherical power. So it generated a little confusion in my mind that whether I need to prescribe toric lens or spherical lenses. So I have checked duochrome. His duochrome was balanced. After contact lens trial, I gave him spherical equivalent power. So he accepted very well. He accepted -3 and -2 in OD and OS respectively. Here I took 8.6 as base curve and 14.2 as diameter. -2 and -3 lenses were available in our store. Before inserting soft contact lenses or any type of contact lenses, hygiene is one of the very important thing. So both the practitioner and patient should wash their hands very properly. Always use lint-free clothes to wipe our hands. With improper hand hygiene, the patient may cause severe eye infection. So, in the case of contact lenses, have a good habit of hand hygiene. Materials required are mirror, lint-free clothes, tissue paper, contact lens solution, contact lens cases. We can use clothes over tissue papers. Here I have choose the tissue papers due to the pandemic COVID-19. Initially, I am going to insert contact lens in the right eye. His power in right eye is -3 diopter. Here I have choose the daily disposable lens. Always be ready with the contact lens solution to wash lenses. Now we can open up the contact lens box and take the contact lens from the box into the left palm like this. Then take contact lens solution to rinse and wash the lenses. Pour the solution over the lens and rub the lens with the forefinger of right hand like this. Need to rub the lens clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction 5 times respectively. Anyway, the important thing is that the lens should be very clean. Before wearing contact lens directly into the eye, we need to check whether that the lens is inside out or not. For that, take the contact lens on the index finger like this. If the lens have the shape of a bowl, then the position is correct. If the lens have the shape of a saucer, then the position is incorrect. That is, the lens is inside out. Hope you understood the difference. Another method is to assess the orientation is Dacot test. For that, place the lens over the palm like this and gently squeeze the lens like this and look at the edges of the lenses. If the edges appears to meet each other, then the lens is in a correct way. If it bend outwards, then the lens is inside out. Finally, we are going to insert contact lenses on patient's eyes. As I have already told, we need to wash the lens very properly. After that, make sure the lens is clean and does not have any damage. Make sure the lens has the right side out. Then place the lens on the fingertip of the index finger on your dominant hand. Use the free hand to pull up the upper lid and pull down the lower lid with the help of middle finger of the dominant hand. Ask the patient to look up, then place the lens on the lower white part of the eyes. Then ask the patient to look down and then close his eyes. This will center the lens on patient's eye. Then we can assess the fitting of lenses with the help of a torchlight. First of all, we need to check the centration of lens, then the corneal coverage. Then by push-up test, we can assess the movement of lens, and finally vision. A steep lens will move very minimal. They are stable. Steep lens will create good comfort, but it creates low grade inflammation. So steep lenses are not recommended. If we provide flat lenses, they are less stable and they cause severe FP sensation and decentration of the lenses. Now the patient is going to insert contact lenses on his left eye. I have taught him everything about contact lenses, how to insert, how to be good hygiene, everything I have taught him. So he is going to do his attempt. We can also assess the centration of lenses with the help of a slit lamp with the diffuse illumination. I have tried several times to get the images clearer, but it was very difficult for me. So sorry for the inconvenience. Now we have put contact lenses in both the eyes, so the patient has good comfort and good vision. Now we are going to remove the lens. Use the non-dominant hand to hold open the upper eyelid. Ask the patient to look up. Then use the middle finger of dominant hand to pull down the lower lid. Use the index finger to slide the lens to the lower part of the eyes. Pinch the lens between the thumb and the index finger. Gently remove the lens from the eye. After removing the lens from the eyes, we need to wash the lens very properly. and we can place the lens in the contact lens cases with the solution. Now we removed right eye lenses, so now the patient is going to remove his left eye lenses by himself. Hope you all understood how to insert and remove soft contact lenses. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.